Hello, and welcome to another episode in Gary's Food Review. Today, I'll be reviewing Lay's Wasabi Ginger Kettle Cooked Chips. So let's try these. And this bag costs $3.49. So here's what the chip looks like. So yeah, let's give these Wasabi Ginger chips a try. Definitely tastes a hint of wasabi. But it actually tastes more ginger than with the wasabi. I have like a slight wasabi taste. Not really spicy at all, doesn't really have a big kick to it. But just a very, very small hint of the wasabi. But it pretty much tastes like it's been soaking in ginger. Okay, that piece had a big chunk of wasabi flavor. I like that piece a lot. Yeah. That one tastes like it had like a hint of like soy sauce mixed in. Yeah, it pretty much tastes like even with wasabi and ginger with some soy sauce. You can kind of see a little bit of the green wasabi on this piece. Yeah, they're not bad at all. They're good. They're not the greatest, but they're good chips. I enjoy them. So, they're just good. But nothing like super special. But just good. So overall, on the food taste scale, overall, I'll probably have to give these Lay's Wasabi Ginger Chips a 7 out of 10. Good, but nothing like amazing or really great. But just good. So anyways, this is it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, I'll catch you guys later.